Good evening everyone, it's Wednesday night and I was thinking on what video to do on our Learn Tagalog episode. So I reviewed the past videos and I saw that I made a video on how to count 1 to 10 in Tagalog. So I was thinking or planning of doing 11 to 20 tonight. So let's do that. First, let's review counting 1 to 10. So, let's count. 1 is isa, 2, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, and 10, sampo. I'm also gonna put the link down below, and also you can click CC for the English subtitles and you can see the spellings in there. Okay, so now let's count 11 to 20. Labing isa is 11. Labing dalawa, 12. Labing tatlo, 13. Labing apat, 14. Labing lima, 15. Labing anim, 16, labing pito, 17, labing walo, 18, and 19, labing siyam, and 20 in Tagalog is dalawampo. Dalawampo. Also, the spelling is down below, so make sure to check on that. Okay everyone, so that's all for tonight, and maybe tomorrow is Thursday, maybe Friday or Saturday, I'm gonna do more Tagalog phrases. And let's continue counting next week, 20, 21 to 30. Good night!